How sleep works as an energetic tool on every aspect of your life, whether it's physically, spiritually, emotionally, and intellectually. Mother Nature is so intelligent, right? It devised so many hours where we're not socially interacting, physically moving, or performing our work. Why did it give us so many hours where we're not doing anything? There must be a reason for it. So let's explore them one by one. Physically, when we go to sleep, our body goes through restoration. All our organs are actually getting prepared for rejuvenation process. So make sure that you give your body that required sleep, and your organs, each and every cell in your body will actually thank you. Do you remember a time when you were sick and the only demand that your body had was rest? Let's not wait for us to fall sick to understand the power of sleep. Because when you sleep, your immune system gets activated. It throws away anything that is not serving our body good. So make sure that you sleep well so that physically you are active. It's that plumbing system in our body that is making sure that all the pipes are truly connected and kept clean. So make sure for your physical body and increasing your endurance and stamina, sleep will do magic. Because sleep does not only take care of rejuvenation, but also make sure that you're taking care when it comes to your fitness routine. Because when you sleep, your appetite hormones work just in the way that they're supposed to work. When you feel hungry, it will kick in. And when you feel that your satiety is done, it will give out that signal. But when you're sleep deprived, it will work in the opposite way. Along with that, when you slept well, your exercise will do the benefit that it needs to do and make sure that it will burn the fat that you don't require rather than burning muscle. Second aspect of sleeping well works on your emotions. When we sleep and we dream about our day routine, because I always say our emotional life bleeds into our sleep. You will usually remember that the day-to-day activity that you have shows up in your dream state. So any emotion or any thought that when unaddressed will show up when you're dreaming about it. So make sure that you allow yourself to get into that sleep to enjoy the dream state, because when you dream about something, you're actually helping your emotion. So for your emotional health, it is very important for you to sleep and dream about it. Third aspect, spiritually. When you sleep, we actually up-level our state of consciousness. Let me give you an analogy that when you go into dream sleep, we actually go 3 layers up. When we get into deep sleep, we go 6 layers up. Isn't that beautiful? Our subconscious actually thanks you, because during the wakeful state, we are only consciously or making our conscious layer work more. Very little aware of our subconscious. But when we sleep, both our layers are going to thank us, because our body truly benefits, not just our body, but our soul. What if I tell you that when you go to sleep, you up level your state of consciousness? Your soul will truly thank you, because when you go into your dream sleep, you up level it by 2 layers. When you reach the deep sleep, you up level it by 4 layers. That is why sleep is considered as meditation. Today, make sure you give your body that meditation, because that's what is required for your soul to feel at peace. As Wayne Dyer had once spoken, that your soul feels most at peace when it is sleeping and dreaming. So please make sure you not only engage your physical mind and emotional aspect, but even your spiritual being. Fourth aspect, intellectually. Today we all want to be productive. We all want to function at a higher state of being. We all want to function. What if I tell you that a job that requires 3 hours, if you've been sleeping well, you will probably finish that in 1 hour with complete focused energy and increase your productivity. Because when you sleep, let's say today during the day, there is constant download of information that happens, which gets into the smaller container or a USB stick. Now, when will this USB stick transfer its information into the hard drive? When you go to sleep. When you sleep, it's like this foundation. The USB stick transfers the information to the hard drive. But if you've not slept well, this foundation gets shaken up. USB stick can't transfer the information into the hard drive. And next day, when you're trying to learn, trying to stay focused, it gets difficult because it's already loaded with information and it's not able to take in more information inside. So make sure that you incorporate sleep if you want to stay intellectually high and become more intelligent and increase your productive cycle. Along with that, let me give you an added advantage. Must have heard of singers, painters, lyricists, businessmen who come up with creative ideas when they wake up. Oh, who does that magic? Is your sleep. Because when you go to sleep well, especially with these beautiful thoughts, you will wake up with an amazing answers, lyrics, as poetry if you're a poet. So please make sure that you use sleep as a magic wand and build up a beautiful relationship with sleep, because I can promise you sleep has been doing magic in our lives forever. But today let's understand it and be grateful to it consciously, because sleep is truly like sunshine that has been taking care of us forever and always. Let's give it its respect and see the magic of it physically, mentally, emotionally, and even socially. Thank you so much for watching this video.